This auction lot is for one of our new Pro Opal Polishing Kits. Now this kit is not for making standard shapes. I mean, you can do it with this kit, but the purpose for this kit is if you have a Dremel or rotary tool, it has everything in it that you need in order to take a rough opal to, a really nice carving. Now I'll take you through everything now. If the rough opal is a little bit too big, I've included a diamond plated saw blade. So this one isn't centered. It's plated, so it's not going to last you forever, but it'll do the job in trimming your opal down to make it a workable size. Now once it's a workable size, I've got a tea candle here and a couple of dop sticks with my favorite green dopping wax on them. This will allow you to dop your stone so that you can handle it better whenever you're polishing it. Now I've got 3 sets of our diamond centered tips. I've got the points, I've got the cones, and I've got the rounded ones. If you're just making regular shapes, the points are good enough, but if you want to do intricate carvings, you want to carve your name or a pineapple or penguin or whatever you want to carve, you kind of really need a sharp point, and it's also good to have a rounded tip in there, and I've got all of those tips in there for you. Now, once the cutting is done and there are absolutely no sharp points on your opal, I've got a full 9-pack of genuine Diamond Pacific Nova points. This goes all the way up to the 50,000 grit. Now once you're finished with these and you work your way through each one of those 9 grits, I've included a couple of felt tips and a pack of optical grade cerium oxide. So that's everything that you need if you have a Dremel or a rotary tool, all of the points that you need in order to take that rough opal all the way through a process to a perfectly carved, polished stone.